All right, everybody, here's a Mr. Reese special. Are you ready? Mr. Reese is going to make this doll pee herself. Let's go, everybody. Come on. She is feeding the doll. We're making this thing pee. Mr. Reese is, oh yeah. Come on. Drink it. Drink.
Gentle.
Drink. Yes. Baby doll, drink. You got to pee for us. Come on, baby doll.
Look, the cat's watching.
Oh yeah. Oh no.
There you
Baby doll, yes. All right, did this thing pee yet, or you gonna keep squeezing it?
It peed already.
Oh, it did? All right, let's look. Oh my gosh, it's everywhere. This doll just literally peed everywhere. Okay.
No.
All right, let's see. How wet is this diaper? Oh my, look at this. Yo, baby doll peed. Look at this. Thank you, baby doll. You made our day.
You're supposed to fold them up.
So
Look,
there you go,
okay.
everybody. We made this new baby doll pee herself. All right, everybody. Here's the aftermath of this doll. Here's how much of a mess it made. Look at this. Look at this. This doll literally peed everywhere. Oh my gosh.
She's gonna pee more when I
Oh
pee.
no, you're gonna make it pee more. No.
There's no diaper.
No. Oh no. Oh no. Look. Oh, geez. All right, everybody. There you go. Baby Alive made a total mess. All right, hit that subscribe button.
Hit that subscribe button.
See ya.